This is not good. Rats, as they say. Okay. Underneath the left side, rear, that's a lot of panel failure. That's a lot of panel failure. That's what came out when I hit it with the power impact wrench. That's not good. That's going to be some pretty serious repairs. Got some other failures here. There's a piece. There's a piece. This fender's about to come loose here as well. So it's the inside of the car. I'm going to get to put those welding skills to use, I guess. I'm wondering if the other side is just as bad. It probably is. Just as I would expect it to be. Let's go slip underneath there and just look for the bumbling rust. Oh yeah, sure. Why not? Yeah. Looks like it is. No, it's not. No, thank God. Okay, so I got one side that's corroded, crumbing up, and the other side looks like it's still okay. There's a couple of spots that maybe not be so bad, like right here at the top. Right here at the top of the wheel well. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. Right side seems to be intact on this side anyway. So I'm gonna pull all the carpets out. Got to get this all off. Right here, all of this has to come out so I can assess the damage inside the wheel well. That's going to be no fun. A little more removed. Yeah, that's a hole. You can see over there the light coming through where the fender's failing on that side as well. So that's going to be a lot of clean. It's going to be a lot of work. Get that all cleaned up and welded back together and clean and such and everything and all the fun that that's going to take. Well, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on guys putting cars back together this way, so it looks like it's my turn. Oh man, I'm rather that wasn't happening. Okay. Well, that wheel well's in bad shape, I think is a good way to put that. We'll have to get some more investigation, see how bad, see what I can do to fix it. That's the security plate that the seatbelt attaches to. It's more rust than metal. Yep. The only thing holding that together is the rubber on the outside.